Hi and welcome back. This is our third video in the series, and now we're going to cover exactly where to inject and how to inject. So our injection site is clean. We've drawn our shot, we've flicked the air and gotten the air out of the syringe. So now it's time to go to the injection site. With bare skin, obviously, I'm wearing pants. When you're doing the injection, you won't. The injection site is most easily found by extending your left leg in front of you, placing your hand on the outside corner of your knee, right on the kneecap, and then come halfway up your leg. And that's the injection site. You have an inch or two this way and an inch or two that way. And that's exactly where you want to be injecting. Once you've located it and it's already clean, all you're going to do is take a nice gentle squeeze. You're not going to pinch. I want you to take a nice broad grip and squeeze to elevate the tissue. You're going to hold your syringe just as if you were about to write on your leg. Okay? And you're just going to bring your syringe close to your leg. Bring the needle just a quarter inch from your skin, and you're just going to press it straight in. Now, important things to remember is that you want to be at a right angle to your skin, just like you see here. You don't want to be like this or like this or like that. You want to be at a right angle to your skin and hold it just like a pen. I always brace with my pinky right on my leg and come in at a right angle, bring it close, press it straight in. Once you're in, you can release the tissue here and switch so that your left hand is now holding the barrel of the syringe. And you're going to do what's called aspirating. If you can bring the camera right here. You're going to do what's called aspirating, which means you're just going to give a little tug on the plunger here, pulling it back just a little bit like that. And this way you can tell that you haven't landed in the middle of a vein. If you had landed in a vein, you would see blood swirl into the syringe. If that happens, then you need to pull the syringe out and throw it away. You could move it and inject, but if you did, you'd give yourself a great big bruise, and nobody wants to do that. So, holding the syringe just like a pen, you're going to come close to your leg, just like this here. You're going to hold it at a right angle to your skin, and you're going to press it straight in. You're going to release the tissue with your left hand, switch so your left hand's holding the barrel of the syringe. You're going to aspirate. There's no blood, good. And you're going to do a nice slow injection speed, which I'm not going to do here because there's a cap on the syringe and it'd make a mess. Just a nice slow injection speed about like this. Okay? Once you've injected the whole solution, you're going to go ahead and pull it out. And your cap will be sitting on the table just like this. Just re-scoop your cap. Don't bother clicking the cap because that's when the syringe will come out of the side of the cap. It'll go right through that plastic and into your finger. So just scoop it, set it on there, and directly into your sharp container. There'll be one more video where we're going to cover just a few tips and tricks, and I'll see you there.